What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I do have some really cool products that I picked up on Amazon. I want to try to figure out if they can help me practice better at home. I kind of just put together some kind of system that's going to help me get better. I think we as golfers, we all want that for our games, and we want to do it in the comfort of our own homes. And I do all my practice right here. And I got the garage open. It's a beautiful day. Summer's around the corner here in Australia. So I got this delivery from Amazon right here. And in here, I have 3 different things that I ordered, and I'm going to test them out on today's video. The first thing that I got is by a brand called Longshot Golf. It is impact tape. So impact tape is supposed to be really cool when you're trying to figure out where and what part of the club you're hitting. I also got this kind of takeaway trainer slash club head trainer. I don't know what you call these exactly. I'll link all these in the description. But that will be cool. I'll test that out and see what that does for my swing. And then the last thing I picked up was this golf training mat right here. So this is one of those impact mats which actually gives you feedback on where your divot is and what shape and what direction your divot's going in. Just to hit a couple of shots here and get loose. Don't want to shank any on the video, so I want to make sure. Oh yeah, that's good. Always warm up with just love using this Spawnia net. Honestly, I get so much value out of having this thing at home. If you guys haven't seen my video on this net, go and check it out on my channel. A few of my friends kept asking me, like, do you not get nervous leaving the garage open and hitting balls? At the start I did, because I was always afraid that I'm going to hit one outside of the net, but to be honest with you, it's just a fear that you're going to get past and then you're good. Well, that was terrible. All right, warmed up, not trying to hit too many huge shots here. First thing, we're going to crack this impact tape open. So it's going to be a really quick review, quick video. Not going to take too much time. So it comes in a roll with 250 of these. And I think I paid like $30 for them. So you can see the grooves out right here. You can also see where the center of the club's got to be faced or placed. So got to get a club for this one. I've got a 7-iron right here. So all I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead. So it's just a roll of basically just tape. And I'm going to peel off one of these. Regardless of your dexterity, whether you're left or right-handed, they'll fit your club. So what I'm going to do here is, oh, that's definitely a little crooked. So once that's done, now I've got this little thing. It looks a little different. Looks a little weird to look at your club and have something on it. All right, so the idea with this is when the ball makes impact with your club, you'll see an imprint or a little stamp for anyone that's never used impact tape before. Now, I've only used it once or twice, but I never used it at home. So this is going to be a little bit of a first on the channel, first for me on this net. So some easy swings. I'm going to make one swing and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Oh, that felt like it was off the heel. Oh, it wasn't. Okay, cool. So after one shot, you can see, you should be able to see, I'll get that in focus for you. You could see that leaves that little imprint. So it works pretty well. I didn't hit that shot too hard, and the cool thing is that now I got some immediate feedback, which with having a net like this, I've always said on my channel, if you're gonna get a net like a Spawnia, then you need some feedback. Otherwise, you're kind of just hitting the ball and you don't know what direction it's going, what it's doing. So having impact tape is going to be really useful. I'm going to hit a couple more. That felt like it was heel. Yep. And it was, and that is my bad shot right there. It's the one that causes the slices, the push slice, push draw. And the cool thing now is like when I play that shot, what I'm thinking and feeling, I can line them up and then try to get some kind of a fix in my swing for these problems that I've got. Oh, that's open club face right out the middle. Yeah, I didn't think I hit that. Look at that, right out the middle. Really cool, I do like it. Kind of wish that you could rub it off and keep going, or allow you to just use it a few more times, but you do have 250 in that roll, so really cool to get that feedback. All right, let's go check out the other thing I've got. This grip trainer right here. So I have a lot of problems with where my club sets at the top of my backswing. So I've had problems in the past of the club being too far behind me, too far up, and kind of getting disconnected. So this little tool is supposed to help you kind of get past that. And I'm gonna set this up, try it and see what happens. All right, so basically just slide it onto your grip. Make sure that it is lined up with your club head. So it's kind of got to be square to that. And then there is a little screw that you put through here, and then another side that tightens it up. So it looks like it's just gonna help me set my wrists. I've never used one of these before. It does feel weird, but it's getting my wrists and my backswing in the right position. So if I try to do anything silly with that club head, it looks like it's gonna tell me that I'm doing something silly. All right, hit a couple of shots. It's gonna really give me a lot of good feedback, a lot of good feels as well. Look at that, I like that. Okay, off the heel. Gave me some really cool feelings to take away, and I think I will use this quite a lot, especially because I've had trouble with getting not only my wrist set, but either the club being too far laid off, and this just gives me a feel of where to stop and where to go from without over swinging. I love this. All right, on to the next one. This is one that I'm excited to open up. So this is a golf training mat, and I've seen these all over Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, those ads that pop up on Amazon and stuff like that. Oh, rolling mat. And the idea with this is like once you make contact with your club onto this mat, it's going to tell you which direction your swing is going in. And I was fascinated by seeing this because I've always taught, I don't know if you guys watched my channel before, but if you have, I've talked about swing divot direction and how much of a hint that can be to where, how well you're hitting the ball and things like that. So it comes with some foam balls, comes with some sort of grip, double-sided tape, Velcro for if you want to stick it down somewhere, and obviously the mat. So this one looks like, as soon as I take the club and I make contact with it, it's going to show which direction that my club's heading in. Look at that, that's really cool. And then all you do is wipe it back. Okay, well, make sure you fasten it down, because if not, that's going to happen. That's cool. Look at that. And that was that felt pretty good. So I'm obviously a lefty. Ball, club's coming in down this direction. So you can see I've hit in front of the ball, and this thing's indicating that my divot would be pretty good. And my direction of my club was basically down the line, and that's really good feedback. I'm gonna wipe it away and try one more here. It's very cool. Yeah, same result there. Look at that. Basically a perfect divot. Ball was here, right in front of it. I just don't know if I'd use it all the time, because this mat is sort of starting to yeah, that's good. That's really good. Overall, pretty happy with this one too. I think that this mat is probably for someone that is trying to figure out where the direction their club's going, and all three of them are going to be really useful in terms of training at home. I'll leave the links to them in the description below if you guys are interested in checking them out. And apart from that, I hope you enjoyed this little vlog video showing you some stuff I got from Amazon. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.